Welcome to my honest review of JD Supra, a leading legal insights platform widely used by legal professionals, businesses, and individuals seeking reliable and up-to-date legal information. JD Supra is known for providing access to articles, blogs, and updates from top legal experts and firms, covering a broad range of topics like business law, intellectual property, litigation, and regulatory developments. Upon landing on the JD Supra homepage, you're greeted with a clean and professional layout. The search bar is prominently displayed, making it easy to look up specific topics, authors, or firms. Navigation is seamless, with categories like business, finance, and technology clearly organized. One of the standout features of JD Supra is the personalized content feed, which tailors articles based on your interests. Users can follow specific topics or contributors to create a curated stream of relevant updates. The platform also excels in its contributor network. It provides a space for law firms and legal professionals to publish thought leadership pieces, which not only increase their visibility, but also position them as experts in their fields. The content is generally well-written, detailed, and highly informative. I found that JD Supra's articles strike a good balance between accessibility for general readers and depth for legal professionals. Another key feature is the subscription-based email alerts. You can sign up for daily, weekly, or topic-specific updates, which is a great tool for staying informed without having to constantly visit the site. The alert system is highly customizable, and I found it particularly useful for tracking fast-changing legal developments. One area where JD Supra stands out is its use of multimedia content. Many articles are complemented by videos, infographics, or downloadable white papers, providing diverse ways to digest information. The website also supports mobile-friendly viewing, which ensures that you can access legal insights on the go without compromising the user experience. For businesses and law firms, JD Supra offers marketing solutions that help distribute their content to a targeted audience. This is a valuable tool for building brand awareness and reaching potential clients. From a user perspective, these marketing features don't interfere with the overall experience, as the platform maintains a professional and informative atmosphere. In terms of user experience, I appreciated how easy it was to set up an account and customize my profile. The interface is intuitive, and the platform is quick to load, even when browsing through extensive archives of legal publications. However, some advanced features, like analytics for content performance, are limited to premium users, which might not appeal to all audiences. In summary, JD Supra offers a wealth of legal resources tailored to both professionals and individuals seeking insight into complex legal topics. Whether you're a business owner, an attorney, or simply someone interested in staying informed about legal trends, JD Supra is a valuable resource worth exploring. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more in-depth reviews of useful platforms like this one. Thanks for watching.